One text can violate an order. Do not risk it. No contact orders are placed on a good number of cases, especially cases that involve a victim or witnesses on a case. It is so important that you abide by that no contact order. It's something that oftentimes we can have lifted if the other party wants it lifted, but just because they tell you, hey, I'm okay with the no contact order being gone, let's talk about this, let's try to figure out our relationship or something like that, do not risk it. If your traffic stop occurs and you're in the car with someone that you have a no contact order with, that is a violation of that order. Even if the other person says, I don't want it, it doesn't matter. If it's in place and you are violating it, that can be an invasion of privacy charge, which makes everything about your original case more difficult and brings new charges as well. That's something we need to avoid. If someone reaches out to you via text that you have a no contact order with and says, hey, can we just talk for a minute? No, do not risk it. Give us a call and we can talk to that person to see if that is something they want lifted, but we have to go through official court channels to make it happen. The court will automatically place no contact orders a lot of the time, and that can be a stressor and frustrating on an already stressful, frustrating situation, but do not make it worse by violating it. We can get into court and we can address the no contact order to try to get things back to normal while the case is pending. I know a lot of times a no contact order may be issued, say, in a domestic violence case where the victim of the case just wants the person home. Maybe they're the main provider or they need help with kids and they can't live life without them, and the no contact order being put in place is an issue right from the start. I get it, but we still need to go through court and do it the correct way to get it lifted to make everything easy for you, and that's something we can handle and something we can file right away, but we need you to come through us instead of just trying to handle it or ignore it, because that makes everything so much worse. And it's not just maybe a husband-wife situation where you want the no contact order lifted. Oftentimes kids are in there or something like that, and you just want to be able to see your kids, but you can't because the no contact order is in place. No contact orders are important for the purpose they serve, trying to keep people safe, but they are not always necessary. And if you believe a no contact order is put in place and it doesn't need to be there, give us a call so we can address it. That's something we handle all the time, and we'd be happy to help with you. We handle these in Hamilton County quite often too. Now, there's no guarantee that the judge will lift it, but we need to try to get in court to have it addressed so that we can figure out the next steps. Because if it's just out there while the whole time the case is pending, it's putting stress on your personal life and giving you the risk of violating it, making things so much worse for your criminal case. So give us a call so we can address it at 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.